Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to cut out shapes in Photoshop with pen tool. So let's begin. First open your image, then click on the pen tool, right click on your mouse, choose the pen tool, selection, path and make selection. First click anywhere to this object, hold click, then curve line, hold Alt key, remove outline and apply the same process for another space. Hold click, hold Alt key, hold space, then move your mouse, hold click, hold control, then move to this pointer size example. Okay, then move your mouse inside selection, right click on your mouse, make selection, feather radius example 1 pixels, or you can use 0.5 pixels or up to 1 example used to this selection. Then create a layer mask or press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer to this object or create a layer mask. Press Ctrl I for inside selection.